Welcome to Ross Park Mall in North Pittsburgh. It's operated by Simon Property Group and was opened in 1986 as a value mall. Nowadays, it's a luxury mall with Nordstrom. You have the Westinghouse, Montgomery elevators, and even a few Montgomery freight elevators, but there's always the occasional 330A, so we'll look at the two 330As this mall has to offer. Our first elevator will be at LL Bean, which is a 330A that doubles as a freight elevator. This is the elevator at Nordstrom. LL Bean, Ross Township, Ross Park Mall, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Go to our Schindler 330A, installed in 08. Here we go. They do not have escalators here, unfortunately. One R. Here we go. So, basic LL Bean elevator. There are fixtures, HT resistant, hands-free, 8 code applied phone, fire service, capacity 4,500 pounds, control panel, car number 1. As you can tell, this doubles as a freight elevator. There goes the root door. There goes Ann. That's it. Now we'll go to our last 330A at the Nordstrom store. It's a lot nicer than LL Bean. This is the elevator at the Nordstrom department store at Ross Park Mall in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Another Schindler 330A. This one's a lot nicer than LL Bean though. A lot of gold. Machine room's way over there. Way over there for some reason. Look.
Thank you.
Alright. Let's go up to 2. Door close button does not work. Typical on Schindler's. They finally put the passenger elevator certificate on there. Last time I wrote this had the freight. Inspection was supposed to be on the freight. This was installed in 2008. Here are 2. And 1. Let's check the interlock here. This one says 1207. This was installed in 2008. They used to have an Otis Series 1 in the old Horns. They used to have an Otis Series 1 in the old Horns store. And rumors are that it could have been scenic. And with typical Nordstrom elevator, HT valve resistant, hands-free 8 code applied phone. That's your fire service. Control panel, and your capacity on this is 3,500 pounds. Again, installed in 2008. Nice elevator. There goes Ann. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, be sure to have a fantastic day and enjoy this video. Take care, everybody.